Hello friends, good evening. Hope all are doing well. All have successfully completed today's final financial day. So everyone has end of the day with green hope. And today we will discuss the future trade. What is future? How future trade is happening, as well as how to select the stocks for the future trade. That scanner also we will discuss. We will go to the next slide. So future contract, you can see future contract means so whenever in the market, just I will give the example of the vegetable market. So vegetable market, the when the commodity means whatever vegetables are in the incomings are very good, that time price will be very cheap. When the demand means incoming means supply is very slow, means sometimes you will be we may not get onion, sometimes we may not get tomato, like that. So when it is demand is high and supply is low, that time price will automatically get increased. Based on the prediction, some people may stock may buy the some commodity in the cheaper price, and they may sell when it is in the high demand. That's what means we'll have to predict the market condition in previous means we'll have to the based on the market condition we'll have to predict the price of the commodity or some other assets as other assets like security or other any other financial instruments. That thing based on our market condition we'll have to predict previously. So for example, one more example, sometimes our petrol price or diesel price may get increased based on the crude oil price. So they may increase or may decrease. Based on that also people may like to buy more on the when it is fall, when his price is going to fall, that time people may try to buy more, and they want to keep it in stock, and when it is in high demand, that time they may sell also, like that. Or like that, there is a prediction in the stock market also. There are high moving stocks, for example. So in the steel prices, the construction industry, in the construction industries, there are many contracts the many government may start their infrastructure development. That time, during the peak construction, there may be a demand of steel, cement, or some construction commodities. There may be a demand. Based on that, based on the steel price increase, maybe the steel company price also may get increased, or same way cement price also get increased based on the demand of the market. So with that within some period, one can predict the things. This particular company may go higher in future within a span of 1 or 2 months or 3 months. So based on the prediction, one can buy the future contract of particular company, like cement company or steel company. They can buy the company. The contract with the particular set price, whatever the price it is running at the particular date. Same date they can buy the company, so buy the stock of that particular company. Then when that contract period is ending, that time the price may go based on the prediction. Price may go up also, price may go down also. So yeah, if it is going up, definitely the person, those who are bought the stock, will get the benefit of the price. So if it is going down, they may lose the contract, and they may lose the price also. So based on the market condition, So there is a we should keep there is a contract, and that contract is having the expiry date. Each and every contract is having expiry date of 1 month. So then again next month that contract will get renewed. So based on that every month we can in the starting of the every month we can buy the contract. In the in between also, based on our prediction, if it is going well, then we can sell the contract also, buy the contract, and in between also we can sell. But end of the day, end of the month end, they are supposed to sell the contract, or else they'll have to roll over the contract to next month. Otherwise they'll have to give the, if they are not doing, then they'll have to, whatever the contract they bought or they sold, that they are liable to transfer the stocks in cash mode. So that is why within that contract period we'll have to trade in between. If it is the contract end period, we'll have to roll over the contract to next month. So based on our prediction, if it is going well, then we can roll over to next month also, or we can close the contract within that expiry date itself. We can close the contract also. So this involves one asset, any asset, like stock, or any crude oil, or any commodity like crude oil, gold, silver, any contract will be there, any asset will be there. Then there is a buyer, there should be a buyer, there should be a seller. Buyers, there is a, between the buyer and seller there should be agreed price. Between the buyer and seller there will be a agreed price. So same way contract expiry date also will be there. Some contract will be, some stock contract will be end with 1 month, and some commodity contract will end with even 3 months also. Based on the expiry date, we will have to trade within the expiry date. Next we will go that. So this is the things, as usual, this is a checklist. I gave the scanner list also. Scanner also I will going to give in the end of the video description. So same way our basics is the same only, that here future contract also we will do it in 15-minute candle, and the same way we will mark TAL and BAL. Then RSI should be always in that, because we are going in buying only. When it is going, when we are in a selling mode, then RSI will be in the below 30. So actually that I have not note down here. If you are now we will see only for the buying mode, buying only we will see. Selling for selling we will give the separate. This scanner is for only for buying. So for selling we will give the separate scanner. So then VWAP should be above only. Volume should be in higher high only, means candle to candle should be higher only. And we can check the pattern also, whether it is previous pattern, whether it is favoring to our this thing, like bullish engulfing, or morning star, or is a Fisher bottom. These three patterns are important patterns. Based on that pattern also, if it is falling or not, that also we can see. So now we will go to the scanner. This is the scanner. Actually this is the scanner. I'll just show from the this thing. This is the future intraday breakout scanner. So this is the thing. This is a scanner what we developed here. So today we got around 5 stocks. 5 stocks in the morning itself. We got the 5 stocks. So you can see that first stock, LIC Housing Finance. LIC Housing Finance you can see in the 28. You can see first candle height is 3.21 point. 3.21 point is the first candle height. So 3.21 divided by 24 means 25%. You can, even if you are putting even 4 also, 1 point above we can do the means buying. So here this 15-minute candle height is 595. We can enter into the 596. We can enter into the 596. If you are entering in 596 and this has went up to 613, so straight away, actually when it is going up now, here it is a 596 we are entering. Here we got 600. Immediately we'll have to, next candle bottom we'll have to trail the stop loss. Actually stop loss we should put in the first candle bottom, and buffer 1 point. We will keep buffer 1 point. If it is in 592 means we'll put the stop loss in the 591. So once it is crossing, once it is going 600, then immediately we'll put the stop loss to this candle and buffer 1 point we can put it. Then this is here, this is around 2 hours. It is just it is here and there it was moving. Here and there it was moving. It was not moved, and again it has got a breakout. Once it is got breakout, then we can keep the stop loss to 598 here, or buffer 1 point we can keep it. Like that we can trial. So if same way if you are trialing, so when it is coming this candle, when it is coming this candle, we will have to put the stop loss here, means 610. So ultimately if you are putting 610, then finally 610 got the trailing stop loss got hit. So here we cannot up to this area we cannot able to capture. So when we are putting the trailing whenever we will have to give 2 to 3 point or 5 point, we'll have to give when we are doing the trailing. So sometimes we'll have to give 2 to 3 points. Sometimes while trailing we'll get more point also, we'll get it. So here this first LIC housing banner itself gave the very good profit. So next we will see Cholamandalam Finance. Cholamandalam Finance, that is also you see that 7.5 8 point means 2 point below 8 point. It's a first candle is 7.5. So here you see actually first candle is 915 candle is a like inverted hammer, or you can say as a shooting star also you can say that. So inverted hammer, this is an inverted hammer. So this one, this such type of things we'll have to take the solid candle. Next candle is solid candle. This candle we can take it, because the 6 type of candle you should not take the trade. This may go here and there. So next candle is solid candle, that is a 7.5. The height is 7.5 near about. So we can take it here. This is the 1141. Another 2 point you take it. So means 1143, 1141, 1143, 1143 we can enter. So it has got this has given very good this thing. So if you are giving a trailing also trailing also around 5 point within 5 point has got stop loss hit. So when we are keeping here, so further also it can go up to this area based on that only, because if you are as per our system, if you are putting the trailing, so 5 to 6 point also we can come out. So that is not this thing. Next, Tata Steel. Tata Steel first candle itself you see only 1.16. This small stock, it's a 156 only. The stock is so around 1 rupees is first candle. Then if we can 154 is this thing, 154.5 we can enter. 154.5 we are entering also. So we got around 5 to 6 point, means 4 to 5 point we got it. With the trailing also we got it here. 4 to 5 point we got it here. If you are putting here also it is okay. If you are putting here also it is okay. So here, up to here we can go. Up to here, that means 156. 156 we can try and stop loss got it. So same way you can see Bank of Baroda also. Bank of Baroda also gave some good. Bank of Baroda, it's a 2.19. First candle is 2.19. Again we are entering here 262. Then it has given up to this area. It has given 262 3 point. It has given 3 point. It has given. Then Power Finance Corporation. Power Finance Corporation also, the first candle is the bigger candle, 5 point. Then we got entry here 390. It has given very immediately, means so we gave this area. This is the stop loss. Then it has again gave up to this area 390 to around 3 to 4 point. It has given. Then Tata Power. Tata Power also first candle small candle. Actually second candle itself it's given. Second candle we are entering here means 392. Second candle itself it has gone 398. Here we'll have to see. Here I'll have to want to once we are marking in the 15-minute candle, then we can change the time frame to 5 minutes. So that the trailing stop loss, trailing stop loss we can put it in 5 minutes. Every candle it is moving, then trailing stop loss if you are putting in 5 minutes, then it will be easy for you to check. So here if you see, this is the first 5-minute candle. First 5-minute candle came up to this area. So now once it is going up, here we can put the trailing stop loss. So like that we can keep it. Here we are putting the trailing stop loss. So then if it is ultimately entry is 392, even if you are putting trailing stop loss here, around 3 to 4 point we got it. If it is hitting also, trailing stop loss is hitting also, it's okay. 3 to 4 point we got it. Again, with all those things, I made a small Excel sheet for your understanding. You see, these are all the six stocks we got it. So actually, you see lot size. Lot size also you have to understand. Actually, each and every contract there is a different lot size based on the market price. Na? Based on the market price, the lot size may vary. So normally that lot contract total contract value will vary from around 6 lakhs to 12 to 15 lakhs. It will be 12 to 15 lakhs. It will vary. So if for example, so LIC housing finance is a 2000. It's a last lot size. The current market price is actually the closing price is 610 rupees. If you want to buy in the cash market, this total contract value will be if you are having 12 lakhs only, we can able to buy in the cash market. So whereas here margin requirement is around 2.45 only. So 2.45 means around 20% of the cash market value only we required for trading in the future. So that you can see in the our this itself. You can see in the I'll show in the our you see this is our this thing LIC housing finance. Just I'm putting one contract. This is a buy. So you can see here, this is the contract quantity is 200. Then here you can see that required margin you required is 2,45,000. You can here you can see. Maybe you maybe see here means required margin. Like that each and every contract the margin requirement will very change. I'm just now putting in Chola Finance. Chola Finance margin requirement is 1.53. Like that here Tata Steel also margin requirement is 1.73. Like that you can see. So from here you can check means in the broker's terminal itself you can see what how much is the margin requirement that you can see. Other then you will go to that Excel sheet. So like that, the margin requirement we have already required margin actually already I taken from the broker side itself. These are all the margin requirement. So total, so these are all the contract means total actually total requirement if you are buying all six contract all six contract in cash market if you are buying this total we required 64 lakhs. For cash market if you are buying 64 lakhs then there is no this much huge means money investing is very difficult in one stock. So that is why there is a contract. We are just making the contract only initial around 20% or 15 to 20% only 20 to maximum 25% only. We are just giving the as a margin money. So like this thing, this Solar Finance, Tata Steel and all, 5,500 quantity. The small value is small, this kind price is small. That is why this quantity, lot quantity is more. Same way, Power Finance, the 3,875. Because in future there is a drawback. Only drawback is we have to purchase only one, purchase a buy or sell in lot size only. We cannot purchase in the numbers. We'll have to purchase in the lot only. So based on the lot size, we'll have to go with that. So here I just put all those your entry price. What we discussed, entry price and exit price based on the move, the trailing stop loss. Based on the trailing stop loss, I put it there. So first LIC housing finance we got 14 points. 14 point into lot size is 2,000. So that is around 28,000 rupees we earned from the LIC housing finance 11%. So Solar Finance we got around 18 points with lot size it's 11,000 rupees we got it. And here Tata Steel also we got only 1.5 point even though lot size is 5,500, so that we got around 8,000 rupees. So Bank of Baroda it's a 2.7 point we got it. And this lot size is 2,925, we got around 7,000 rupees. And here 3,000 rupees you got Power Finance we got 3,000 rupees, 3,800 rupees. And here Tata Power we got 10,000 rupees. Total put together 69,000 rupees we got it. Whereas for because these all stocks got the means gave the breakout in the morning first half an hour itself gave the breakout. So we want to trade all those, or if we want to trade all those things means we required a minimum of 14.35 lakhs for trading all those six stocks. Then only we can able to get the 69,000 rupees profit. Even for if you are investing 14 lakhs, out of which if you are getting 69,000, then around it is coming around 5%. The average it is coming around 5%. Within a day, we are getting 5% means it's a very huge margin, huge profit. So even if you want to trade, we can with 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh, those who are having, they can select one contract, means any one contract they can select. Out of 6 stocks we got it in the morning. Based on that, they can choose out of 6 stocks which is best, based on our indicators, based on our this one candle pattern, and based on the this thing, volume, everything we can just identify. Out of 5 6 stocks, we can identify one stock. With one stock you can enter. If it is one stock also, if you are entering, if you are getting 2 to 3% or 5% also, it is very good. So this scanner, I think this scanner is very much useful. This scanner I am also using regularly, so whenever I am doing. And this future contract, minimum 2 lakh is required. Future for trading future contract, those who are having minimum 2 lakh, they can only trade in the future. So anyway, small amount around 25 to 50,000 rupees, those who are having, that we will give the option in the next week, or means another week onwards. Next tomorrow, day after tomorrow onwards, we will going to discuss about the option. Then option contract, you can trade with even 25 to 50,000 also we can trade. Even future also we can trade with 1 lakh also. That I will also, now once I'm taking the option contract, that time I will show you how we can take that trade in the future with 1 lakh or 1.2 lakh, how we can take the trade, because we have to hedge with the option. But when we are taking, for example, when we are taking the LIC housing finance future buy, then we'll have to, the out of the money we'll have to take it, out of the money contract of the option we'll have to take it, and we'll have to sell that future also in a particular distance. That I'll explain the when we are doing the future contract, option contract, option discussion. That time I will discuss about the how we can hedge future with the option, how we can do it, and with less margin, and how the risk management also, how we can able to mitigate the risk, and as well as how we can able to do the money management and all. That we will discuss when we are going into the option. So hope you people got a very good scanner today. So you just practice with this scanner. Initially you can practice with the paper trade also, because this you cannot buy 1 or 2 stocks, because stocks there is no need to do the paper trade. 1 or 2 stock also you can buy with the investment of 5,000 10,000 also you can do it. But in the future you cannot practice with the real money. So minimum 2 lakh is required, then only you can practice in the real money. Otherwise you can put it in the paper trade, like what I have made in the Excel sheet now. Same way. So morning you scan the stock, and morning the based on the this you mark the top and bottom, TL, BL, everything you mark it. When it is getting breakout, that time you enter into the this thing, buy, and based on that how it is moving, how we are the trailing, how we are doing it, that everything you just make it in paper trade. Paper trade, there are many sites are there. With the with the same site we can do the paper trade also in the directly in the broker site, or you can the sensible, if you are having the sensible account, with sensible also you can do the paper trading. So that's what today's topic. You can use the scanner and give your valuable input, and do subscribe, and just yeah, means I gave the this also this I gave the your Telegram channel link also I gave it to you. So based on you can just join in the Telegram group, so that from next week onwards we'll give all those our 1 lakh to 1 crore journey, that will update in the Telegram channel. So initially I will going to do it in my account, and afterwards I will inform to all of you. So those who are interested, they can contact me. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.